I chose Will Excel because there was so much information about it on the internet. I was really keen to come to China and to learn the language better, and I really love working with kids, and I thought this was a great way of combining both of those interests. I've learned so much throughout the course of the course, and I have learned a lot about working with kids, which has been great, especially with kids who speak another language. I think it's really helpful for understanding people back from my home country who might speak English not so well as well, and I definitely would recommend it to people who are interested in Chinese culture and understanding Chinese children. I think that this is a really good course, good way of immersing yourself in China and learning a lot about children and teaching as well. And if I were to give any advice to someone who is coming to do the course, it would just be just to have a really open mind about everything that you're learning about. There's so much that you can absorb from people here. Lots of people have been here for a really long time and been teaching for a while, and there's so many things to learn from them because it's really its own specific thing, teaching English in China.